replacing this three-way valve. First, need to remove the inlet, outlet tubes and the syringe. If the plunger is at the top, it will stuck and cannot be taken apart. Press back. The plunger goes down. The plunger is bottomed. You can then turn off the machine. Next, loosen the nut. Push the plunger up. Hold the metal part, then remove this syringe. Turn it clockwise. Remove these tubes. Turn the tubes counterclockwise. Then use a tool to unscrew the two screws of the three-way valve. Pull the valve straight out. The motor shaft of this part is half-moon shaped. This valve core's internal shape is identical. Just align it with this half-moon shape and insert it directly like this. Once inserted, the position is incorrect. Install syringe here. This hole needs downward. Just turn it like this. Rotate the inlet and outlet tubes upward. Then put the screw back into place. Don't fully tighten the screw yet. Hook it securely. Don't over-tighten. Install the syringe now. Align the threads properly. If met with strong resistance, do not force it in. Don't tighten it yet. Then pull this piston rod down. Align the hole properly. Tighten the lower part first. Tighten the lock screw. Next, tighten the two screws on the three-way valve. After that, tighten the syringe, then the inlet and outlet tubes. The three-way valve was replaced.